Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half Forestriver Surveyor 296QBLE travel trailer. This is the Surveyor Legend line. We're going to take a few minutes and run you around the inside and back to the outside of the RV. But before we get started, I just wanted to do a quick walk around of the outside here and take you up to the inside, just kind of show you what it looks like with the slide out room closed to kind of get you an idea on all that stuff. And then we'll go back to the normal routine. I just thought I'd show you what it looks like when you actually close up one of the slide outs here. I wanted to show you what this all how it all works basically. You basically just push a button and this slide out just kind of electronically retracts in. It's got an electric motor underneath, a couple guides that basically pull it straight in and straight out. In case you stop at a rest area or something like that, you can come in and get to the bunk room, and you can also come in and get to the kitchen slash refrigerator kind of thing. Now if you need to get to the front bedroom or the bathroom, you would have to go through the front door. So that's just a quick look at that. Now we're gonna do everything normal. Alright guys, we're now up inside the new Surveyor 296QBLE. We're gonna start back here in the kids room area. You can see a nice big sliding door here to kind of close off that area. There's 3 drawers, full extending ball bearing drawer guides, along with a little storage cabinet there. Little shelf area and cabinet area there with the little light switch to turn off the ceiling lights, which is kind of nice for the shorter kids. They can actually flip off the ceiling lights without having to climb up onto the bunk, but they can turn them on and off individually. You have 4 windows in the kids room, and all 4 windows do actually open. Built-in ladder there to help them get up and down. USB charger ports also in the kids room. Don't forget guys to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with more of our videos. Now going on back out to the living room area here. You have a Jackknife Sofa, which folds down into a small bed with some storage underneath. Traditional booth dinette does have the storage doors under there, so you can just get to things pretty quickly and easy, but you can still pop the seat cushions up out of there and get to things that might be more in the back of that area. It does make into a bed down there. Nice panoramic window view here. Tinted safety glass windows. Pull down night shades over the windows. "32-inch flat screen TV right across from your seating area. Some storage down below that. And you also have your AM/FM radio and some light switches and slide controls up high there so the little kids don't reach them. Big closet area right there that you're seeing in the picture that popped up. Electric box with the breakers and fuses down below there. This comes standard with the 8 cubic foot gas and electric refrigerator that you're seeing there. So it works off propane or electricity, either one. And it is a little bit larger. They used to come with a 6 cubic foot, but now you get an 8, so a little bit bigger. The unit has the Greystone microwave and Greystone fireplace. I'm sorry, stove and oven, not fireplace. So the stove and oven there, it has the glass stove top, has the glass stove front, and then it does have the LED light in the knobs and also a light in the oven as well. 3 drawers below the sink area there, which are full extending ball bearing drawer guides. High-rise faucet, 1 big large bowl sink there. A little bit of overhead cabinet space there. Another big sliding door there that actually blocks off the bathroom area. I'm going to spin back around here real quick, just give you another look here from this direction. And you can kind of see up top here, ceiling has a nice arch to it. So good ceiling height in here. And the ceiling is aluminum studded construction. The walls are aluminum studded construction. And the floor is aluminum studded construction. So in case of a water leak, hopefully you don't get a water leak, but in case of a water leak, you actually have an aluminum substructure here that's not going to rot out, along with the Azdel composite type of wall there. So this basically will kind of zoom in here real quick. So you can kind of see here, this is a man-made composite material. It is not a Luan-backed wood wall. So this is more water resistant, also better insulation, and sound and energy absorbent. So you are getting better constructed walls than a lot of other brands of RVs out there that are still using the old school Luan setup. Going on up into the bathroom area here. A little bit of storage down below. A little sink area there. Medicine cabinet. Another window. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Little corner shower area there. You also have a roof vent up top and a skylight in the bathroom area. Zoom back out here, give you a little better view of that. Going into the bedroom area, another sliding door there. 60 by 80 queen bed is what they use in the Surveyor lineup. You have a roof vent up top, nice large shelf area up there, a window in the front of the camper, hanging closet on both sides, along with a drawer on both sides. Window over here does open. Now back in behind the hanging closet, zoom back in here a little bit for you. You can kind of see back in behind here. So you have another shelf down below, but that shelf with the little cup holder in it actually raises up, and there's storage underneath of there as well too. That is on both sides of the bed. And you have a pull down nightshade blind for your window as well. Another entry/exit door there. Plenty of room to maneuver around the bed area here. And there's also TV hookups here. If you wanted to put a flat screen TV up here, you could do so. But overall, a very nicely well-constructed camper that's not going to break the bank. Right there in the bathroom area there, water pump switch, water heater on gas switch, another electric outlet, monitor panel for your holding tanks and stuff all right there, and a light switch there. But we're going to take a few minutes now, head to the outside, and then we'll close it up and show you what it looks like as well. Alright guys, we're now back on the outside of this new Surveyor trailer. We're going to take a few minutes to run you around the outside here, show you what some of the cool features are out here. All right, we're going to start here on the front of the RV. And you have a power tongue jack with a built-in LED light, two 20-pound propane tanks with the hard cover there, room for 1 or 2 batteries to go on the front, depending on what you want set up on there. The unit does come standard with 1 deep cycle interstate battery from Couch's RV Nation. There on the side of the frame is a little pet-friendly hook that they do so you could leash up your dog. Safety chains, 2 5/16" hitch ball, 7-way Bargman plug to control the lights and electric brakes and stuff like that. Pretty normal for the front of an RV. The unit has heavy-duty scissor jacks on all 4 corners. Solar prep on the front corner here. The front storage compartment has plenty of room here. Nice wide baggage door here. Has an LED light built in there as well. The little pet-friendly bowl is also up there in the little net. Magnetic holders for the front doors. And then again, they also have another little sticker here talking about the Azdel composite. This is a big feature for an upgrade to the construction of an RV. Most brands don't do it. So definitely look for that as you are shopping around. Power awning with an LED light built into the tube instead of on the side of the coach. So you can kind of direct that light by rolling that awning in and out a little bit. You can direct where that light goes. But they also put a standard porch light in the middle up there. Most brands just have an LED awning light and no porch light. So here you have 2 versions. The entry doors have friction hinges on them, so you don't need the plastic latch to just hold it back. Triple entrance step going in and out of the coach on both doors. Screen doors also on both doors, which is all pretty common for an RV. 2 outdoor speakers. Gas electric water heater, 6 gallons. Aluminum wheels. 4-wheel brakes, easy lube hubs, electric outlet right there, your refrigerator exhaust right there as well, and your furnace exhaust also. Now in the back section back here you have an outdoor kitchen. Pretty cool little feature. You have 2-burner stove, hot and cold little dump sink area here. Little cabinet area back here, or shelf area I guess you should say, with an electric outlet back there. Also a light there. And then you do have a little mini fridge out here. This is great for the kids so that you can put their soda or juice, whatever you're giving them to drink, out here and they don't have to run in and out of the coach as much. Large folding entry handle there to help them get in and out of the coach. Back up here a little bit more, let you kind of get a better view down the side. And you can also see the ladder on the back. Nice feature there to have. Spare tire mounted on the back bumper. Traditional 4-inch square tube bumper on the back of the RV, so you can store a dump hose there or put a small bike rack or something like that for the kids if you wanted to. The unit is also pre-wired for backup camera, which you can see up there above the window there. Big storage compartment here. LED running lights and taillights. Detachable power cord. And this one was ordered with 30 amp service. But you also have your cable and satellite hookup right there as well. And the unit comes standard with a full enclosed underbelly. Again, an electric slide, so you push a button, it goes in and out. Nice big windows again over that slide out area there. Up here, the unit has an outside utility shower, hot and cold water, black tank flush, city water hookups. And then down below, you have your gray and black dump area right here, along with your freshwater drain up here. Back up here a little bit, that gives you a better view down this side here. And you can also see the freshwater fill for the portable tank is right there next to that storage door. Nice big window in the front of the camper. It's pretty cool, little frameless window up there. And then on the side of the coach, you will find your informational stickers. 225/75 R15 D-range tires, two 4,400-pound axles, plus you're going to have hitch weight for a gross combined weight of up to 9,500 pounds. That's the most you can load it to, hitch weight and axle weight combined, before you risk damaging the coach. Now down here it tells you your actual dry weight. And the actual dry weight of this RV is 6,339 pounds. So 6,339 pound dry weight. So not real bad for a 30 some odd foot coach here. Definitely within the range of most half-ton trucks.